Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're going to plot the following phase diagram of xenon in order to answer the following questions. So first of all, before we start answering anything, we need to identify the different phases on our phase diagram. Over here we're going to have the solid phase, the liquid phase, and the gas phase or vapor phase. And at points above this condition, this is going to be called a supercritical fluid. So now that we have identified these points, we can continue to answer the questions. At a pressure of 1 atmosphere, the temperature of 161.3 Kelvin is called in this case, it is going to refer to this point, and it is going to be the melting point of xenon. The normal boiling point for xenon is at certain value for Kelvin, so the normal boiling point is going to correspond for 1 atmosphere going towards this point over here. This would correspond to the normal boiling point, which is 165 Kelvin. Finally, the triple point pressure for xenon is the point at which the three phases are going to interact together, and it is going to be equal to 0.37 atmospheres. The critical pressure for xenon is going to be 57.6 atmospheres at temperatures above 289.7 Kelvin and pressures above 57.6 atmospheres. Xenon is as I mentioned before, a supercritical fluid. Now, just identify the phases in which we're going to be at these conditions. At 54.6 atmospheres, we're going to be somewhere around here, and 143 Kelvin, so somewhere below this point. What is going to be the phase? This is going to be a solid. At 0.37 atmospheres and 174 Kelvin, meaning this point, we put it in green, 0.37 atmospheres and 174 Kelvin, so somewhere around this region, the phase is going to correspond to a gas or vapor. And finally, at 1 atmosphere and 161 Kelvin, we're right below the boiling point, so xenon is going to be a solid. Remember that the boiling point would be 161.3. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one.